Okay, this is how to install CAVA bar spectrum audio visualizer in Linux Mint 20. So open up a terminal, type sudo add apt repository ppa : hsheth2/ppa. Next, type sudo apt update. Next, type sudo apt install CAVA. Okay, when that's done, you can just type CAVA to run the program. And then just start some music. To control CAVA, you can use the up and down arrow keys to increase or decrease sensitivity. Use the left and right arrow keys to increase or decrease the bar width. Use the F and B keys to change the foreground and background color. And then to quit, either enter Q or Control C. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.